Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So we're watching AEHL right here on the screen, currently at 318, 320. It's been making some nice moves this morning. A little stair step action from yesterday, as you can see. So currently all we're waiting for is it to continue this little trend line right here. As you can see, it decided to stop right there. This is this chart. This chart is a 5-minute chart. While I'm doing some other things, you guys can watch that. And let's see what else we got here. That's the only one currently that I see making some good moves. Here's EOS. 5-minute chart again. Here's a 1-minute. Nice moves above volume weighted average price. This is a good little movement here. This one can go to EOSE. EOSE. All right, let's give some levels here on EOSE. Thinking 212 is a pretty good number. So 1212. Currently at a solid resistance, but yeah, I'm saying about 212, 1212. 12, 12, 12, 19, somewhere in there. I'd like to introduce you guys to a new tool that I just put up there on Jrockstocks.com. This tool currently is free for members. Members are free. You guys can use it just to kind of check on your stocks here. So here, I'll show you that. So you go over here, you put Jrockstocks up on your screen. So there you go, Jrockstocks. Okay. There we go. Let's get this thing centered. There we go. So you go to Jrockstocks. Okay, you go to trapdoor or trap detector. I was thinking of calling it trapdoor. Trap detector. You click on that and you go in here and let's see, refresh that. There we go. Okay, perfect. Then you type in a stock. So you type in, let's say you type in EOSE. Type that in, you hit enter. And this is what you get. So this thing is a dilution machine. So it's 100 out of 100 trap risk. Okay. That doesn't mean you can't play with it. It's a scalp only, extreme fresh stack dilution, no blind holds. It says nuclear trap, the nuclear gate pass, meaning the scan found a fresh active dilution trigger, a dilution weapon, and trade danger context. This can still move, but it's not clean. Treat it like fast trade only main flags, underwritten offering language, security stock purchase agreement language, warrant exercise language, latest market stack closed 8.1 million recent news catalyst context was found. So here you go. So you have active trap 75, dilution risks at 55, background risk, da 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 da. You scroll down, it tells you what it found here. Okay, right here you see all that. Yeah, up here it gives you market stack price. So this is from yesterday. This isn't currently. Okay, so closed at 8.1. And here you go. You have all these different red flags. So active trap underwritten offering, that was May 13th. So today, S-3ASR. You can click on here and you can open the filing right there. It's a Form 3 ASR. Boom. All right. You could read through that. So it's a nice little tool to help you guys kind of get all the information on stock. Here you have Catalyst, May 13, EOS Energy, Enterprise reports first quarter 2026 financial results and announces Frontier Power USA. You can click the link, it opens it up. There you go. There's the catalyst there. This is a new tool that I added to Jrockstocks.com. All right, and it'll tell you if it's neutral, positive news, what have you there. So there you go. Okay, so that is the new tool for members. You don't have to be a paid subscriber. You just have to be a member to be able to use it. So go to jrockstocks.com to play with that. All right, then there's Day Trade Analyzer. That's another one there that I put up there. But that one's still, you still need to have basically a gate code to get into that one. But jrockstocks.com, that's where you go. All right, we got about 100 reviews there. So that's that. All right, hopefully you guys like it. Been working on all these things. Oh shit, it went down. Wasn't paying attention. But yeah, there you go. Hopefully you guys can do something with that. Where's my comments on oh, there they are. Hey, Night Owl. Sorry, my comments disappeared somehow off of my my EOS. All right, so let's see if it can get over this 320 and get back up to where I want it to go. Let's see. So you guys play with it. Let me know how you feel. Creed, did you see the new tool that I put up on the website? What do you guys think? I don't see any comments pertaining to the new tool that you guys can use for free. No comments. Okay. Ah, almost got it. It's got 1190 there. Did not get the 1212. Got 1190, so missed it by about 22 cents. What's up, J Trader? Yeah, so what it's probably going to do is it's probably going to come back down to about 11 bucks, maybe even volume weighted average price. We've seen this pattern before, and this pattern usually means it's going to come back down and retest support. Oh, all right. See if we can't find something moving other than these two. This one's on the downside. Like I said, probably coming back down to the volume weighted average price, which is like 1070 right now. AEHL not doing so good for me right now as well. I guess I should have paid a little bit better attention to that. That's just what I do. Let's see. Erna's still plugging 1415. ERNA 1389, 1399. Jumping around. It's a small float. It's micro float, 678,000 shares. What the fuck is this music? Somebody just get bored? I guess. I don't know. Let's go to this. Fuck was that music, right, Cree? Jesus Christ. So again, go check out what I gave you guys to play with there on Jrockstocks.com. Check out DXF. That's a low price mover right now. Low price mover just rolled the float one time. It's done its average volume one time almost. Almost. It's got some kind of news here. Let's see. Oh, statement regarding unusual market action. Okay. Just hit its little high there, 74 cents, close. Got a little gap at 74 cents, 74.52. Currently at 69.47 DXF. So again, I'm sure it's very toxic. You go trap detector, you put in DXF, DXF. All right, that's the stock we were looking at there. DXF, yep, DXF. You put that in there, you hit scan ticker, see what it comes up with. Oh, good, no nuclear gate. It's a 70 out of 100, 78 out of 100. It's a high trap risk. You scroll down, you go, why? Well, there's no fresh active dilution trigger, recent prospectus 424B, risk, nope, shelf, nope, shell S1, F1, nope, ATM, nope, register direct, nope. Purchase agreement, yes. Warrants detected, yes. Convertibles detected, yes. All right, so then you scroll down, red flags, you can see what the red flags are. And you scroll down a little bit more, you go into the press releases here. Yesterday, limited issues statement regarding unusual market action, So it gives you a better idea of what's what, and it's real simple. So there you go. All right. So we'll see if this one wants to come back for me. If you notice, this one's done the same pattern here that it's doing right now, that it's, I mean, I guess not currently, not exactly the same pattern. But over here, it pushed up, then it came down a little bit. traded sideways. Pushed up, came down, traded sideways. Let's see if it can break through this trend line again. As you can see, it's kind of doing a rising wedge here on a 5-minute chart on AEHL. DXF. Let's check the 30-minute here real quick. All right, there you go. And it hit the gap at 74. As you can see, 74.22. There was a little gap up there. So there's that. Let's see. Where's the next stop? And maybe 87. Yeah, maybe 87 there on DXF. Mm-hmm. So, mhm. So yeah, so there you go. Fun times. Hit the like, the follow, the share, or don't. I don't give a shit. Do whatever. I noticed that yesterday we didn't get 7,000 likes. I noticed a couple days before we didn't get the 7,000 likes. So I don't know. I'm thinking of just hanging out with thanks Nido. I'm thinking of just hanging out with my Discord instead of spending time on TikTok here. Not sure. Not sure. Still deciding. Let's see what happens. Yep. So a new thing on the Discord, I started asking for accountability. I made it a pains and gains spot there. So people can put their wins and their losses, not just their wins, because that's not what trading is. Trading is wins and losses. And you guys see me on here. I lose my ass sometimes. I'm on a losing streak right now. Yep. I got my head out of my ass there for a second, and then I put it right back in because it felt nice and comfortable and warm. I don't know. I might be one of them little adrenaline junkies that just likes to hold too long or doesn't like to follow rules. I know exactly what yesterday was. Yesterday was revenge trading. So that I got to put that video up there. But that's about that. Fred Flintstone losing streak also. Yeah. It's tough, man. And see, I missed my window on this one. I wasn't paying attention. I should have probably dropped that down. Instead of making about 50 bucks, now I'm down about 38 bucks. How could it come back? Of course it can come back. I think it's going to come down to this purple line. Hopefully it bounces from there. Gosh. Allergies have been bugging my eyeball. Itchy, itchy, itchy. Yeah, I said BuzzFeed can go away for me. I sold it last night. Took a big hit on it because again, I was revenge trading and again with the rules, the fucking rules. All right, so this one broke trend here, broke the volume weighted average price. Is it gonna recover? Because it's about to flip that MACD red. on DXF. VLO coming back out of the depths of hell. It ended up dropping down quite a bit. Man, Wolf, can you believe Wolf speed is at 64 bucks? Wolf. You guys remember playing that one? We played that one a lot. Harley, that sucks. Cree, that sucks. I hope it goes up for you guys. I mean, you know, just because I'm out of it doesn't mean I'm not hoping it goes up. I hope every fucking stock goes up. I do. I really do. I hope every stock goes up. But we all know that that's not the case with the market that we're in today. A lot of shenanigans going on, a lot of bullshit. So it is what it is. That's why I'm trying to give you guys some tools on the website there just to kind of open your eyes. You know, because we play these nuclear these things are nuclear. They are. A lot of these stocks will hit 100 out of 100 every time on that on the trap detector. Okay, can I just stop you guys right there on BuzzFeed? I want to show you something. I want to show you something. BZFD. I just looked this up this morning, and unless I was dreaming or something, I don't think I was, but if you notice, the hard to borrow, okay, so your estimated borrow rate dropped from 567% to 5.33%. You can see it up on the upper right hand corner of the screen there. You can see 5.33%. Yesterday it was 576%. So just keep that in mind. Again, I'm not telling you buy, sell, or hold anything because I don't do that. And I really hope that on the Discord we don't tell anybody to buy, sell, or hold anything. Again, that's not what we do. We're not gonna be like these pump and dumpers. And look at that, look at it go. So it looks like I should have sold when it broke my trend line there. It broke my trend line. Now we're gonna draw a down trend line because the down trend line is the one that we're really worried about here because it could follow it all the way down. Looks like there's a little bit of hope, but not much. Again, guys, you keep doing the same mistakes, you're going to keep getting the same outcome. And I keep doing the same mistakes, I'm getting the same outcome. Lose, lose, lose. You know? I said probably going to get back down to this purple line, and look at that, it's right at that purple line. So now BuzzFeed needs volume, right? Yesterday it freaking smashed volume, currently no volume. And I saw that after hours yesterday, no volume, which is normal, typical. After hours more than likely won't have any volume. I drew myself some boxes yesterday and it broke every single one of my supports and I still held on like a big old dumbass. Yep. There's that hoping. There's that hoping it's going to ruin our accounts. It pisses me off because I know better and I traded like an asshole the past couple days. So can only be mad at myself, and I am. I'm very disappointed in myself and mad at myself, and you know as well as I do, we are the hardest critics on ourselves. So once this thing breaks this purple line, it's probably going to come down to this green line, in which case I'm looking for it to bounce back up because it is trading in an upward wedge or a rising wedge or a ascending wedge. So there you go. The market's tough right now, guys. It's there is no sugarcoating it. Because of my stupidity and how I traded yesterday and the day before, I'm down in the past 5 days. I'm down $2,500. Yep. But I can admit that. I can show you guys that. I've shown you guys that. I put that out in my videos. A lot of people will just sit there and brag about their wins. They won't fucking talk about their losses because, well, I don't know. They feel like they're not going to get any more followers from it. I just want you guys to know that this is a fucking hard game. This is a hard game to play. It really is. And right now I'm watching AEHL and the bids aren't stacking. The asks are asked. Let's see, we've got 1820. Sorry, yeah, 1,820 shares at $3. We got 29, 1,211 at 29, 292. We got 1370 at 290. We got 1,400 at 286. We got, and it just keeps going. And also, look at it here. So volume was pumping, pump, 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 right? It was doing good. It was doing good. Million, almost a million there, 1,000,002. And then all of a sudden you're dropping. Now you're at what? 736, 6, 3,000, 300,000 there. So things to keep an eye on while you're doing all this. Hey Mitchell, thank you for the goats. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the let him cook. I appreciate it. I do. I appreciate it. So yeah, it's all about accountability. Hold yourself accountable, and if you're in a group that and this will make you a better trader, honestly it will. If you hold yourself accountable. If you're posting your wins and your losses, you're being more open, you're being a little bit more see-through, more transparent. And, creators, people that sit there and try to get you guys to understand how to trade and what to trade, and not financial advice, just education purposes, education, entertainment. I'm more entertaining, I think, than education, but um, it helps pass the time when we're watching paint dry. um, but yeah, being accountable when you post your gains and your losses, you're putting yourself out there. DXF still trying there. Trying to get back over that. Nice little reversal here. We'll see if this thing wants to get back over volume weighted average price for me. Sort of kind of doubting it. But I'm leaving myself open to the idea that this is going to come back down to this little green line and then reverse back up. Elab's constantly doing weird shit. MRAM has been a moneymaker this week. Good for you, Rick. Good for you. I don't know about anything about making money this week. Making money was last week. Last week was making money for me. Yeah, last week I was up about $2,300. Now I'm down about 2,500 this week. So I gave back everything I made last week. Fucking so disappointed in myself. Literally just wanted to fucking crawl in a hole yesterday. And I'm not talking about the nice pink one either. I'm talking about a dark hole under a rock. Oh. Still haven't touched alcohol though. Even though I've been depressed as fuck, I still have not touched alcohol. So let's keep on building. Keep on building here. Yeah, MRAM's very expensive. It's too expensive for this little guy here. And DXF coming back down 68 cents. EOSE 1061. So it did come down to that 1061. Let's put that over here. So there's that volume weighted average price I told you guys it was going to come back down to, and there it is. Came down to it. Yep, that is a solid pattern. So what you're looking for now, okay, so now it cleared over that. Now you're gonna wait. You're gonna wait till it finds some support. You're gonna wait for that MACD to start trying to flip. What you're gonna be waiting for is a VWAP reclaim, and maybe, just maybe, once it reclaims VWAP, it'll take another run to that 1212. That is willpower. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right. Yes. Come on, OCG. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I've been losing my mind a little bit. Got so much shit going on. And we all do. We all have shit going on, you know, but believe it or not, I used to be pretty good at fucking trading. uh Mitchell is there. Mitchell remembers. Yeah. Currently I'm sucking ass. And I don't know why. I mean, I know why, but I don't know why. Uncle gets under my skin every day I go over there. So how you doing? How's your trading? How you doing? Uh, you know, it's like, and it's not like he asks me like, hey, how you doing? And it's done. It's like he asks me, and then I tell him like, oh yeah, I'm down or I'm up or whatever, right? Then he dives into it. He goes, well, why do you think you're down? I'm down. Oh, you're down? Uh. Oh God. Oh God. Yes, I said I'm down. You don't have to repeat it. Is there a fucking echo in here? Yeah, that kind of shit. Just it just gets bad. Yeah, so OCG is doing. It's trying real hard. A little bit of a cup and handle possibility here on OCG at volume weighted average price. 250s. Let's see. We'll just fuck around a little bit here. And it didn't get me. Now it bought me in. Okay, so let's see. We'll just go ahead and try to get a couple bucks here. I know. Let's see if it get a couple bucks here. Let's see. Looks like AEHL's not recovering for me here. AEHL's 275, still not recovering for me. Wow, wow, wow. Haha, that's because he cares. The harder the question, the more the person loves you. Aw, aren't you sweet, Mitchell? There we go. Come on, break on through. Break on through. Go, go, go. So there's that VWAP reclaim I was telling you guys about. Reclaim the VWAP. Let's see if it can push a little harder here. Maybe get back up to here. Just needs a breakthrough. You guys can see this little guy right here. That's where it's getting stuck at, right here. Just needs to go right there. Get stuck there. Get stuck there. Need that, need those bids to stack. It's a nice low flow. It's already done good volume. I was looking for this to be a cup and handle. Looks like it's just being a cup. Hasn't done the handle part yet. This should have been the handle, but looks like it's getting stuck. It should come up to here. That was bare minimum. I was thinking, you know, I'd grab a couple bucks there, but we'll see. That AEHL's got me a little distracted because it's still going down. It's at 270 right now, and the volume kind of took a break. Oh, great. What do we, because the primary directs, okay, appeal again. Yes, TikTok. Yes. Yes. I was not directing people off the platform. My content does not, jeez. I'm going to appeal it. They're going to approve it. And so why are they fucking with me? Fucking TikTok. I swear to God, TikTok, I can't wait to just not use your platform anymore. You're being assholes. Hey, what's up, Steve? Hey, buddy. Long time no see. All right, let's see if this thing does anything. How's this AEHL? Down 54 bucks when I could have been up 54 bucks, 60 bucks. Once it broke that volume weighted average price, that should have been a sign for me to just say, screw it, get out. Again, rules, rules, rules. Yeah, no rules are being followed on my part this entire week. You know, the way I'm going, I might zero out my account. The way I'm going. Yeah, no joke. No joke. Sometimes I get into this little toxic stage. Sometimes I get there. I'm just too distracted. I'm just too distracted all times. I should not be trading when I'm doing all my shit. That's the problem. And I get frustrated. I get very frustrated with myself. So, yeah. I just removed the dividends channel off the Discord because no one was using it. So there's no point in it. I'm also thinking of removing IPO hunters and options. Because let's face it, I'm goddamn AEHL. What are you doing? Fuck you. Ah, fuck it. Whatever. I don't care. Go to that green line, you piece of garbage. All right. Let's see. Look at that. Look at that. Got in here, 200 shares, 297. Could have taken profit. Could have taken profit. This started getting smaller. Didn't take profit. Still not taking losses now. Now I'm not taking my losses. And there she goes. Look, volume completely took a shit. There's no volume left. And I'm still in it like a fucking jackass. Yes. Yes, this is trading. This is full on trading. This isn't good trading. This is fucking shitty ass trading. Okay, just so you guys know. Just so you know. This is crappy trading right here. This is not following rules. Yeah, basically I think I'm leaning towards blowing out my account. I think I'm thinking I want to do that. Yeah. Just to show people that I can do it, you know. I'm in like self-destruct mode over here. Fuck me. So if you're ever thinking of becoming a creator, just make sure that you understand that there's a lot that goes into it. And I've been doing it now for about 2 years. So let's see if this thing hits, gets me some money back off of this shit. Just know that it takes a fucking toll on you. You get shitty messages from people, you know. Yeah, lots of stuff. You're busy like all the time. If you're a good creator, you're answering people's messages. And yeah, there's that. There's taking the bumps on the head, the lumps on the head when you're checking out people's stuff. Like check RXT. What about RXT? That fucking thing ran a while ago, and then it took a shit. It's not popping up on any scanners. RXT isn't. Here, we'll go ahead and take this thing off because this thing is in its toxic stage right now, as I'm getting to be. I'm starting to fall in that toxic stage as well. Yep. Notice the people that are in here dropping off, which is fine. I don't give a shit. TikTok's a TikTok. It's toxic too. Fuck. The amounts of accounts I have on TikTok that aren't mine is just beyond me. You know, it's pretty wild. I think I counted like 32 different fake accounts on TikTok. That's a lot. That's a lot for someone that's got 26,000 followers and only has 37 people in his live. Confusing as fuck. Just gotta say that for sure. All right, so as you can see, AEHL is dead. This one looking like it wants to hit that OCG, looking like it wants to hit that 285 there, 286. Slowly coming up, saving me some money from this pitiful act of trading right here. Volume completely dropped out. And now my screen's locking up. Come on, knock it off. Yeah, people want to be me because they see that I have 26,000 followers, almost 27,000, whatever. That's why they want to be me, but they don't want to be me. They don't. They just want to steal followers and scam them. That's what they're doing. They're asking people to go and talk crypto and, and go to this and go to that and yeah, I'm really starting to get over this whole content creation stuff. It's starting to it's weighing on me. It's a lot of bullshit. I built my community. It's there. So I don't know. I'm gonna let this thing hit this green line. Hits the green line, I'm gonna get out because this thing's looking dead. Completely dead. Look at the last 5 minutes of this thing. Look at the last 15 minutes of this thing. You know, this is a hell of a turnaround here. Huge turnaround. But that's why sometimes you go over to a higher time frame, it doesn't look as scary. Because didn't it do the same thing right here? Or it just kind of sold off? Only difference between here and here is here it held volume weighted average price. Here it didn't. Here it's just in sell-off mode. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a hammer, a doji, some sort of sign of reversal. See if we can just breathe. Think you're letting a rough run drag you down. You'll bounce back. Jason, man, I agree with you. Just breathe. Yeah. Um, man, it's a lot of things. It's just a lot of things. There's more things than sometimes you can deal with, and sometimes you just say fuck it. I think I'm saying fuck it. I think I'm saying fuck it. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Uh-huh. 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 All right. Well, let's get off that little pity pony that I've been riding and see if we can find something else that's possibly moving. NBIG. NBIG, that's a long time ago. NBIG. NBIG. 26 bucks for NBIG here. All right, let's see. OCG, are you going to do it now? Are you going to stop playing around? You're slowly coming up. Oh, hey, yeah, look at that. 13,000 likes. Look at that. Thanks, guys. There we go. 272. Come on, break it. Break it. Wonderful life. Something's got to change. Let's see. It's trying. It's trying. It is trying. We're almost there. Nice little cup. Back over volume weighted average price. Just needs to hold. Come on. Go, go, go. Break on through. Bam, bam. Bam, all right. Slow poke. What do we got here? So we got a little reversal going on here. Come on, let's see a little reversal. MACD's still green, but looks like it wants to flip to red. Unless we get a doji or something over here. Doji, a hammer, something. And it's about the right spot to do it on AEHL. There you go, Mitchell. And my buddy and I, uh, I've talked to him, or I've talked about him several times with you guys. He's like my little brother. He also trades stocks. I sent him a message yesterday. I showed him my losses, and I was like, dude, I forgot how to trade. He's all, what'd you do? I said, oh, I revenge traded. Okay. So you know what you did, right? Yeah. And you still did it. I'm like, yeah. Yep. Isn't that insanity, right? Yeah, I don't care. Watch told me stand up. I don't care. Don't tell me stand up. Watch. Do my own thing. Come on, just break on through already. By the way, that is the first target there, 860, 286. Now this is a watch list stock, so the target's different as I'm talking, obviously. Um, there you go. Come on, FCHL. FCHL coming back nicely there for us. If it can just get back over $2, you might have a nice little run back to about 220 on FCHL, currently the top gainer on the top gainers list there. Just got to break $2. $2 is psychological level of resistance there. Come on. Break $2. OCG, come on now. You can get up there. It's not that far away. You're 24 cents away. There we go. Here's $2 on FCHL. There we go. 202, 203. Remember, I said 220. FCHL. Come on now. And again, this is a watch list stock as well. I'm not giving you the there you go. I'm not giving you the target that's on the watch list. But if you're on the watch list, you would have just barely missed it right there. Missed it by 1 penny. You would have missed that by 1 penny. You would have missed that target by 1 penny. Target off the watch list there. That would have been TP1 right there. Yep. Mm-hmm. Dun, 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 dun. And OCG's breaking back down. Ah. Slow down. Mm-hmm. Come on, OCG. Power on through it, damn it. All right, guys, it's 4:55. So 5 minutes left on this platform right here on the Tickety Talk and YouTube. Nice. Thanks, Night Owl. Thanks for letting me know how you feel about the new tool I gave you guys on the website. Yep. And look at that. Look at that. I'm a loser on all accounts right now. I got loss on OCG, I got loss on FCHL, and I got a loss on AEHL. Full on loser here, guys. Follow me. I'll give you some trades, and you do the opposite of what I do, and you'll make money. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hopefully, this is a turning around to be a cup and handle, but very highly doubt it right now. Everything's been the same kind of shit recently. Uh, this is how it goes. This is how it goes, guys. You think, you think, you think, and then it does the opposite. Do, 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 do. Man, OCG, come on now, really? All the way down? That's just really weak. That's just really weak. Ah, I'm tired. I'm tired. Tired of this shit. I'm just tired. I don't know. TDIC trying to break out again at 308. Holy hell, right, Doug Funny? Holy hell. I agree. Oh, looks like let's see. AEHL came back. AEHL came back for me there. It flipped. So that's good. Looks like somebody up there's listening. Let's see how high it goes. Is it going to go all the way? Is it going to turn the red into green? Come on now. Let's go. All right, not yet green. Down 35, 33 bucks here. Up $3 here. Uh yeah, just waiting. Just waiting. Trying to see if OCG wants to come back for me. Here's what a 1 minute looks like. You see it didn't look very happy. Didn't look very happy, but it didn't quite make it to that green line. So we've still got the rising wedge is still intact here. Still intact. Two down. I'm down $2,500 over the past 5 days. So yeah. And I've shared it on the Discord. I've shown you guys. I've been fucking losing my ass. I had that really, really good day, and then I had that really, really bad day. Yep. And I'll tell you exactly what that was. That is just something that happens to traders. They have a really, really good day and they feel unstoppable until they get stopped, and then it's even harder to stop. Yep, then you're revenge trading. Then it gets even harder. Oh, and now OCG's eating my ass. Look at that. Isn't that funny? All right, I'm gonna go over to the Discord and be depressed and funny over there. I'll see you guys in just a minute. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for 14,000 likes. You guys made up the likes you didn't give me on the other lives. All right, I'll see you guys on Discord. Peace. Thank you guys for hanging out on YouTube. Appreciate you guys. Fuck TikTok. TikTok's a fucking piece of shit. Yep. Look at OCG just fucking falling from the heavens. Oh, I'm so over this shit.